Let's learn how to remove the background from any photo using CapCut. If you want to remove the background from a photo but don't know how, you don't need to struggle anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is open the CapCut app. When you open CapCut, you'll be on the home screen with several options. On this screen, you need to click on the Expand option located at the top right, indicated by an arrow symbol. When you click on that, more options will appear, including the one you need. That option is Remove Background, and you need to click on it. When you click on that option, a screen will open showing all the pictures from your gallery. On this screen, you need to find the picture you want to remove the background from. Once you've found it, click on it and the picture will enlarge. When the picture enlarges, you need to click on the blue Add button located at the bottom right corner of the screen. After clicking that, a screen with options that you can adjust will appear when the background removal process is finished. If you want to see how it turned out, hold your finger on the option above the black menu. If you like how it turned out, click on Export in the top right corner, and it will be saved to your gallery. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.